Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have another yes, another Lattafa, and this is unboxing and first impression of Lattafa Opulent Red. So I reviewed 3 other Lattafa Opulent, White or Musk, Lattafa Opulent Blue, Lattafa Opulent Black Oud, and this is the 4th one in this range, and this is Lattafa Opulent Red. So this one, it came out 2022, is the newest release, and it goes under £20 in the UK and similar prices other places. Right now you can find them few places. They are not widely available, but I think with a few weeks and months is going to be more available. And I thought, let's see how it goes, because the first 3 I did in the Opulent range, they were very good, especially for a price under £20, sometimes even cheaper, sometimes under £15. So let's go without further ado, and let's unbox it. As you can see, the box is very cute, it's velvet. When you do unboxing, unfortunately the noise, you can't do anything about it. So as you can see, it's a velvet effect on the box. Very nice looking box, especially for the price. This kind of presentation you won't get even in the £60–70 range if you go to normal shall we say mainstream brands. You know which one they are. So you won't get a presentation like this even in the mid-range, let alone in lower range. So the box is very cute. It's obviously it's velvety red, and attention to details everywhere. Again, very nice. And let's go for the bottle. And the bottle is super blingy. So it's got a beautiful red hue to it, and also the cap is gold. And with gold, and it says Lattafa Red, Opulent Red, and the cap is very nicely tight, and it's quite a weight to it, although it's plastic. And the atomizer is very good atomizer. With Lattafa you always get good atomizers. Okay, so whoa, it's filling the room very strong. So Lattafa Opulent Red, let's see how it goes. First impression. Wow, first thing it hits you is sweet. So sweet. Second thing it hits you is very fruity right now in the beginning, in the opening. As it says, the color red, it represents red very well. It is quite tarty, fruity, sweet. Mainly I'm getting something like red berries, red apple, or maybe even red grape. Okay, but very sweet. So if you like sweet, this is for you. If you don't like sweet, this is a no-no, at least for the first impression and first sniff. Okay, so it's quite floral as well. It's got a body of floral. There is a little bit of rose coming out, and also a little bit of jasmine. Yeah, the jasmine and the rose are fighting for now, but it looks like it's going to be a dominant floral as well. Little bit of green aspect to it as well. A little bit, it's like a herbal aspect or green grassy aspect. And also it's got a little bit of spicy, like a red pepper, or sorry, pink pepper or black pepper, something like that. Very quite subtle spiciness to it. And also the background is quite woody, so a woody background, And right now the main thing you notice in the beginning is sweet fruit, sweet fruit, red fruit, little bit of pink pepper, and also quite floral plus a woody aspect. But right now this is all I'm getting. So dry down might be different, but right now these are the main things I'm getting. This one is bang in the middle, is unisex, either men and women can wear it, but it is little bit on the mature side. So the reason is because this DNA has done before and it smells like a classic. Okay, to me at least, to my nose, it smells like a classic one. Okay, so for first impression, quite pretty, sweet, floral, fruity, and also little of pepperiness to it, little of green aspects, and woody aspects. So this is the main thing I'm getting right now in the beginning. I will let you know in the next video the development and the longevity, but right now it smells very strong. So it looks like it's one of those long-lasting ones. Alright, it's changing a tiny bit, so that fruity aspect is subsiding a little bit, and it's getting rounder and a little bit smoother right now. When it opened, it was a little bit on the sharp side, but right now it's getting rounder and it's getting smoother. But for the price, goodness me, Lattafa has done it again. It smells quite elegant, it's quite classy, as I said, a little bit on the mature side, and it smells one of those smells that you can rock all year round. So it can be summer, winter, basically it could be a signature scent easily if you like this kind of fragrances. Okay, so far so good, I like it, and I will let you know in the next video the development and longevity and things like this. But for now, I really like it. It didn't disappoint. It's quite similar to the other three in the line, which they were very good again for the price. Okay, alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future videos. Share this video with other people. This way you help me to expand my channel. I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.